Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bulk Facebook post. And we have already seen how to create Instagram posts in bulk, and we can follow the same exact steps to create bulk Facebook post. So how to do that? The first important thing is we'll go over to create a design, and here I'm going to look for Facebook post, and we'll go over to Facebook post square here, and this is your blank Facebook post. Now let's go over to our chat GPT and let me ask him create a table. Let's say we say create a table for Facebook posts related to fitness. This is not what I wanted. Give me Facebook ideas related to, give me Facebook posts related to fitness in a table format. This is what I've asked. The first one I didn't like it, but let's see what it says. Post title. Okay, so this is my table. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. We don't need all of these columns, but let's just go ahead and copy it into an Excel sheet. So I'm going to go over to the Excel sheet and we'll paste these columns first. So this is my, go ahead and paste it over here. It actually went, let me paste it to the right side. Control X, Control V, Control X, and then Control X, Control V, and Control X, and Control V. Okay. And then here I'm going to expand these, and then I'm going to copy this table starting from 08/2024, and let's just go ahead and do this and paste it over here. So this looks cool. So I'm going to go ahead and expand all of these, and let's save this table. So file, save as. So I'm going to go ahead and file, save as, and browse. And this is going to be on my desktop. I'm going to say fitness and hit save. So onto this table, what columns do I have? So first one, date, I don't need, I need the post title, so I'll just keep this. Then I have some caption. Then if you want to add some image, video, these are the hashtags and call to action. So we'll be using these two columns here, okay, not the whole, because we don't have enough space on our Facebook post to add everything, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add title and caption. So I'll go over to my Canva and let's look for fitness in elements. We'll go over to elements and we'll type in fitness, and then we'll go over to photos. So if you like something, let's say we liked this, and I'm going to replace it as my background, and this is what it looks like. And if I want to change it, you want to move this picture around, you want to keep it on this side so that you can add text on the right hand side, you can do that. Okay, so double click on the image and move this image wherever you want. You want it in the center, you can keep it in the center. If you want on the right hand side, you can move it onto the right hand side. Let's say we like it on the left, and just this is this, and this is where I can add my Facebook post, the caption, things like that. So the first thing is I have two elements that I want to add, right? One is the post title and the other one is the content caption. So post title, I'm going to put it over here. This is my post title. I'm going to call it post title. And the other one I have is the caption. So I'm going to go ahead and put the caption underneath it. So I'm going to go ahead and post title and caption. So this is what I have. And let's say we change the post title to, let's say, 60, and then caption, will move it here, and let's say we will change it to Anton. Sorry, caption will change it to, this font style would be Anton here, and post title will also be Anton. So I'm going to go ahead and select Anton here, and this is my caption. Okay, so these two are in the same range, and you can see here post title is a little bit of the font size of bigger, caption is small. Now if I want to change the color, let's say we keep this white and this one as black. Okay, so here I'm going to upload my data. So where will I go? I'll go over to the apps and look for bulk create. So look for bulk, and this is my bulk create here. Upload the data, and I will go over to my downloads and refer my sheet, which is the fitness sheet here. So I'll go over here and you can see the from A1 to F7, and you can see here this is A1 is where it started, and where it ended is over here, which is column number F and row number 7. So F7 is where it ends. So this looks correct here. Hit continue. These are the different columns of those data table that you have uploaded. So it has call to action, it has hashtag, image, video, content, caption, title, date, etc. Then over here I'm going to go ahead and right click and I'm going to say connect data, and which out of these I'm going to connect it to post title. So these are the different columns of that sheet that I have uploaded, and in the post title I'm going to put post title, and in the caption what I'm going to do is right click and click connect data, and here I'm going to put content / caption. Okay, so wherever is post title from the sheet, the post title will get pasted, and from the sheet wherever is the caption, that will get pasted here. So you can see here post title and caption. Okay, so we are able to connect the data. Now I'll do continue and we'll generate 6 designs. So this is how it looks like, and it is going to generate you 6 design. Now the problem is we had a little bit more text coming up in here, so you can change it. It's not something, and you see here there's an emoji added, all that morning boost. So this looks pretty cool. There's some spacing issues, so you can take it a little bit below or move it onto this side, so that way it looks pretty nice. Similarly, you can edit this to move it on this side, and these your bulk posts are ready to roll. So it was so simple. We created bulk Facebook post as well as Instagram post, and you can even paste different contents from your sheet onto your post. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.